Kinong penyat bat kinong hikai ke St. Thomas High Secondary School Mairang ha kenyau terek uyayong ke lepelong ya ke program Pynkup Burom bekerpang ya Ngut ki top 20 jong ke school ke Samla Angel J Marbanyang bat ke Samla Ereen El Maulong ke bala khuri ya ke nam jingjob bat rung ha ke thup arphongut ne ki basta tam kat kum ka result bala penmi da ke Meghalaya Board of School Education Empos ha ke santerek mentau benai. Kini Ngut ki Samla na kini ke school ki le yo bat ya ke kedan bashipau bat khatsau ha ke result empos arjar arpusan. Kum kadak ka jingilek kemen lang baro ka wei ke school na du principal vice principal kinong hikai beki kena school kila pelong ya kini ke program Pynkup Burom ha pelau jong ke school rengkat ka jingedon lang ki kemi ki pa jong kini ki Ngut ki Samla ki belawan ra e ka nam ke Burom ya ledi ya la ka ying ke sem ka kur ke jaj bat ya ke school hi baro ka wei. U principal Reverend Padar Venki Kharsim Yong ha bekeren kini ke program ula ai ke jing khublei bekerpang ye kini ki Ngut ki Samla ki belawan ra nam ya ke school ya ke district bat ya ke jilla bat ya ke jai pendriu hi barok ka wei. Kum jur ula ai ke jing khublei barok kitu ki bela yo distinction ha ki wei ki subject beper wala da kim yo bandrung ha ke top list. Ula khublei bat penpau ke jing songu bekerpang ki noi kai ki bela thelut ila ke jing start bat ke buit Khubor ban sandur ya ke jabing jong ki khana kani ke school.
Yes, can you be with me through your valuable silence so that everyone can hear what I'm trying to say? So Angel and Ereen, we are very happy for you today. Congratulations once again. And thank you for doing well in your exams. You are the reason for us to be gathering today, and we are very proud of you. You have taken our school on the height, and our school is known today across the country because of you.
For the Venki Private and to our vice principal, Mr. Khuborjylla, and my parents, my family members, as well as you, my teachers, and all my dear friends. Today, and I want to thank God for the blessings He showered upon me, especially for giving me the good health of body, mind, and soul, and also for giving me the strength that I was able to prepare well for this exam. And I would also like to thank my mom and my siblings, my family members, for always encouraging me throughout my life and in everything that I do. I would also like to thank the school management, especially father, especially sister. Thank you for encouraging us and inspiring us so that we students are able to overcome any challenges. After the exams I got sick, I was very, very healthy. So I'm very, very grateful to God. And secondly, I would like to thank my mom and dad, my parents, that they had helped me during my exam. Tiara tiada ban ajar, bangan rekod, untuk period habang on pengadakan rekod ni. Kemudian mereka bagaimana dia dan rekatnya. Secondly, I would like to thank my teachers because without them I would have not been here right now. Because of their help only, they are always pushing me, always telling me to do your best, to give your best. So thank you so much, dear teachers, for always being there for me, always helping me, whether it's personal matters or it's school matters. So, di Khuborjylla ako abang ayon Sister Siti, bala Khubor hingga lagi Arabian. She always tells us to do our best, to give our best and never to give up. So thank you so much, sister. And also, nakuha ban ay Khubor bahayang hasam guna. Guru, nago hingga Shillong class Pinasari, Kilaju Yawajana, Kilaju Horina Bale Bhavai. Thank you so much. Also, not only them, as well as Khubori Yabara, Khubor Parla, Guru, Madhu Bangadang class 8, 9, 10, Lajuan, Kong Ereen, Kudu Bale Bhavo, there's a new officer, Daniel. The Khubor Parla Yabara.
Give a huge round of applause. The students who carry the buckets of petals, please come here to the stage.